Hey, I'm Will from Ken's Sewing Center, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a quilt on the Cutie Breeze Frame. Now we're going to want to take all 3 layers of our quilt. I've just got mine sandwiched together. If you want to, you can baste it before, pin it to hold it together, whatever you'd like, just so long as you've got all 3 layers together. So to get started, we're just going to take our quilt, all 3 layers. We're going to bring it underneath the foot of our machine and get it so that the back of our quilt is on this back bar right here. Now while I'm holding it in place, I'm going to grab one of our quilt clips and just get my first corner clamped down. I'll come through, do the same thing across this entire top bar. Just like that. Next, we're going to do the same thing to the front. So I'm going to hold a little bit of tension right here and clamp down the front section of my quilt. If you've got any part of your quilt hanging off the side of the frame right here, you'll take one of these small clips, clamp it down just like that. Once we've got our quilt installed on the frame, we're ready to go ahead and start quilting. First thing we'll want to do is pick our bobbin thread up. So I'm just going to grab my upper thread in one hand, use the needle up-down button on my machine to make the needle go down and up, and then I'm able to pull my bobbin thread up just like that. I'll take the top thread and my bobbin thread in one hand. I'll tap the start button here on my SureStitch Elite, and then simply start moving the machine. Once I'm done quilting, simply tap my stop button, and that's all there is to it. Thank y'all for watching today. If you have any questions about this or any other product that we carry, just give us a call at Ken's Sewing Center. Thank you.